It is confirmed, ladies and gentlemen, there will be an airdrop for the B2 network. This is a project we brought to your attention about 5 days ago, but at the time we weren't too sure if there would be an airdrop. But we got bigger news for you, because there are big investment firms that are investing into the seed round of the B2 network, which is freaking awesome. I just want to ask you a question. Are you fed up of being intellectually frauded from these big influencers? Are you fed up of pumping their bags? We saw what happened with Satoshi VM, and we had to re-strategize on how we could get into something earlier than them that could be a trend in 2024. And let me tell you, this one is going to blow up. And I want to show you guys the requirements that's going to be needed to get into this program so you could get these tokens before it goes wild and the market catches on to you. And you know what I like to see on this channel? You must seek the value before the rest of the market agrees it's valuable. Why? Because they're going to pump your bags.
Francis Dhun, Uncensored.
Welcome back to another video here at Francis Dhun Uncensored, where we do have tomorrow's newspapers today. This is also called a Smart Money channel. Now, if you do appreciate value-packed content like this, that's going to position you ahead of the crowd, do smash the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button while you're at it, because this type of content truly is time sensitive. The news just comes out and we publish it on this channel, and sometimes it's a rush to this to these types of opportunities, so this is no different. I want to say this is a project and an airdrop that we covered that's not going to require no Bitcoin from you, no money, nothing like that. All you need to do in this particular case, because they're starting the phase 2 called the Buzz program, and I'm going to show you guys the requirements, but I'll tell you what you need right now. You will need a Unisat wallet on the mainnet or the live net, not the test net, and then you'll just need to create an account. And the only way to do that, according to the team from B2, is by you using an already existing referral link. That link is provided for you in the form of a pinned message in the comment section and also in the description box. I also had to use someone's link to get in, and this is how they're going to be doing it. But it is confirmed 1000% they will have a native token. We're very excited about this, and I can't wait to show you why, because more news came out, man, and it just proves and confirms what we already knew and what we had a hunch on. And I'm going to explain to you guys right now. Enough of the talking. So guys, look at this. This just came out today. Okay, 5 hours ago. OKX Ventures has just tweeted out 5 hours ago, "We're thrilled to announce seed round investment in BS Square Network, also known as the B2 network." Okay, 5 hours ago. Our video was 5 days ago, so we had a hunch this is going to blow up, and sure enough, we're seeing those telltale signs come to life. And you know, if we click this button over here, there's like quite the read up coming from OKXVentures.com, or sorry, OKXVentures.medium.com. This is their publication. This is not just a rumor. This is not coming from third parties. This is actually coming from the horse's mouth. And OKX Ventures, guys, they invest into some quality projects. They're not going to put their millions into some bullshit. So that tells us right there that how you need to seek the value before the rest of the market agrees it's valuable. And I could just see this happening. What's going to happen is over time, more and more eyes are going to get on this. And we know how it is. It's hard. Once something is hyped, it's very hard for you to get in on the action. So this is the strategy we're going with. And we got another solution in the later part of this video that you guys are going to love. We're going to come together as a community, and we're going to take the power back, and we're going to run this show. This is going to be one of the top Bitcoin L2 solutions in this year. Are you going to be on the right side of history? If you're on this channel and you're following these steps and you can get in these airdrops and there's something else we could do, well, I think you are going to be on the right side of history. So once again, I just want to give you guys more context on the legitimacy of this report, okay? Now, this is an article on how the Buzz program will work. This is the program that you're going to need to know on how to get your tokens, okay, guys? So pay attention. Want to mine B2 tokens, guys? You can mine this as well. However, what they're saying is, you know, part of this is going to be, you're going to test their bridge, number one. You also could stake certain assets and get tokens, and then also mine. And I believe the mining is where we could see a lot of gains. And guys, you know, we're going to create our own pool, the FDU, Francis Dhun Uncensored pool, and we're going to get our mining rigs. And if you guys want to join our pool as a community, this is how we're going to beat the VCs. This is how we're going to beat the shills. This is how we're going to beat the IDOs. This is how we get ours, okay? The game is changing. It's becoming monopolized, and there's a limited resources we have. And I can tell you right now, this is definitely a way on how we could get these tokens, okay, guys? With little to no risk, really, right? Compared to what we've seen with certain projects, if you know what I'm saying. So Mine rewards, receive yield, guys. Okay, and we're gonna get to the parts just now, which is right here. So don't go anywhere. Okay. So timeline. Familiarize yourself with the B2 Buzz, January 25th. This is hot off the press right now, guys. First phase of the Buzz page, which I just showed you, and they tell us to go there, but don't go there. I do have the link in the comment section. I don't want you guys going to Discord clicking random links. I got that. It does help me out a lot, and as a community, we're going to be mining this, so you want to be part of my pool anyways. So what we're going to do here is follow them on Twitter, within this application after we connect our wallet, and this is similar steps of what we've already done in the first program they presented to us, which we would get tokens as well. And then get started and generate your own code. And if you guys want to promote as well, I believe you could get your own points that way. And why not? Quality project, why not? And here's what's going to happen in the earlier part of February. So this is an ongoing thing. Deposit early February 2nd phase of Buzz page. Win mining rigs, parts by bridging assets from other network to B2 network. Assemble mining rigs with parts you have. And I'm going to be definitely doing all this stuff, bro. Mainnet launch mid-February 3rd phase of Buzz page. Claim assets B2 network. Okay, mining B2 native token, received yield, and more rewards. That's going to be coming in mid-February. And in April, we could expect to see some testing when it comes to withdrawals enabled for assets bridge as well. Okay, let's carry on. The process of mining, step 1, receive an invite code. Cool, that is right now launched. Okay, so we could do that now, and that's the context of this video. Step 2, deposit assets to win mining rig parts. I'll just buy the freaking thing, I don't care. Step 3, assemble mining rig with parts, upcoming. I can make videos on that too. Step 4, team up with friends to mine B2 token, receive yield, and more ecosystem rewards using mining rigs. Guys, we want to be one of the better pools when this is all said and done. I'll tell you something right now, guys. OKX is going to push this L2. You know who else is going to push this L2 other than OKX? We got them right here. It's Unisat. Unisat made this tweet, when was this? On January 10th of this year. Look at it. Unisat B2 network, guys. This is crazy. Delighted to collaborate. B2 network is a Bitcoin layer 2 network implemented through ZK rollup and on-chain logical gate commitment verification mechanism, guys. This is massive. The Chinese knows how to pump. This is a fact. We got OKX on this. We got Unisat on this. Are Unisat going to be using BRC20 tokens up north when B2 goes live? I don't know about you, but all we have to do is put little to no risk. It's all about the risk to reward ratio, just like what we did with Ordi and the BRC20 tokens when they now came out. So I hope you see, the potential in this, and it's major potential, okay, guys? And, it goes on and on and on. I could definitely leave, the links to this article for you guys in the comment section. Now, look, again, 5 days ago, we covered B2 Network, guys, and I highly recommend you go and check out this video because this is a different program on how you could get these tokens, doing other things, okay? So go check that out. Although it is under maintenance, this particular section, which is called, I believe it's the Odyssey program, is under maintenance, but that should be back up and running at some point later on today or in a few hours. But before we get to the process on how you actually get these tokens, let's just read up a little bit more on what this particular program is all about. So right here, B2 Network, like Miner, like Buzzer. Buzz is a mining campaign where users deposit assets and assemble rigs to mine the native token of B2 Network. Okay, guys, check this out. And you can also stake as well and test out their bridge to get tokens. Now, you will receive B2 Network native tokens to mine. That's what we're going to be doing. I will lead the way. You guys want to join the pool? Let's bank that coin. All right? As I said, times are getting hard on how we can make this freaking money without freaking, getting caught up in bullshit, as we saw earlier. And you guys know what I'm talking about. So, B2 Network, native tokens to mine, ETH native yield, ecosystem, and DeFi rewards. And they kind of show us how, the graph is over here on what you could expect. So, native yield, B2 token rewards, and ecosystem and DeFi rewards, guys. Now, check this out. This is their roadmap, so to speak. So, timeline, February, deposit, win mining rig parts, assemble mining rigs, and then in March, the main net goes live. Claim assets to B2 Network. Crazy. So they expect to go live in March, guys. Do you got your damn, requirements for the airdrop ready? Well, after this video, you would. Mine B2 token with rigs, withdraws enabled, and then more updates thereafter. How to become a buzzer. Receive an invite code, as I told you. That's part of this entire process, and I got that for y'all. Deposit assets to win. Assemble mining rigs and parts. team up for B2 Buzz rewards, ladies and gentlemen. And they also got a staking mechanism here, StakeStone. B2 Network partners with StakeStone for decentralized yield enhancement in Buzz campaign, leveraging the Omni-Chain LST protocol to boost layer 2 staking and liquidity, ladies and gentlemen. Why choose B2? Well, it's fast, cheap, and secure, seamless access, easy to build and migrate dApps, DE layer for Bitcoin, and they flex OKX Ventures once again. Even KuCoin wants in on the action. KuCoin Labs, ladies and gentlemen. So now that you got more context on how this works, so when you click the invite link in the comment section below, it's going to take you to this page over here, and the referral link will already be populated for you in the enter your invite code section. Now, as I already mentioned, you need to have a Unisat wallet. So you go to unisat.io, okay, and over here, you could download the Unisat wallet, download from Chrome Store. Don't worry if you're not using a Chrome browser. If you're using a Brave browser, you still follow this button, and then you download that, save your private keys offline, and then make sure in this instance, you are actually on the mainnet. So I'm using a Taproot wallet address, and I'm on the live network, okay? Not testnet in this case, okay, guys? Cool. So once you do that, we're going to go connect wallet, choose Unisat, obviously, and there you go. My wallet is now synced in, spare wallet, and I could just confirm BC1PU8DRG right there, bada bing, bada boom. Now I'm going to press the join now button and complete these tasks. And there we go. Enter your invite code. So you should have already done that if you're in this section right here. And there's a check mark. So now we're going to follow B Squared Network on Twitter. Then this is going to populate. B Squared wants access to that. I'm going to authorize the app. And there you go. I'm following them already. So let's see if that was registered. Verify. Press that button. And there we go. I am already there. Step 2 out of the way. Okay. And now it says step 3, get started and connect wallet. So let's see what happens here. First time I'm doing this. Unisat. Boom. And there we go. So that appears to be it. There's now a continue button here. And let's see what happens there. Press continue. And bada bing, bada boom. We are in a new interface, and it has generated us a referral code for you guys to go ahead and also promote. And I believe you will get points in that way. But the bigger picture is us actually getting the freaking, access to these tokens before they go live to the market, in terms of, knowing that how you have yours. I shouldn't say before it goes live to the market, knowing that how you will be getting these tokens, guys. And the best way to get them too is, they got this nice mining program coming up. I'm super interested in that. So once again, guys, I will be leaving the link for y'all in that comment section. Make sure you check it out. Get yours fast, get yours early. And according to the actual, where is it? Right here. All we could do right now is step 1, receive an invite code, launched. Step 2, deposit assets to win mining rig parts, and that's coming up. So this is all we could do right now, guys. And you could just browse around and, see how this looks. This looks like the actual bridge itself here from Bitcoin to the B2 network. This looks pretty damn cool. This is going to be fire. And if I actually just take this off, you'll see it says coming soon. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So that appears to be all on the Connect to EVM wallet. Ladies and gentlemen, I am super duper bullish on the B2 network. We were the first ones to bring this to your attention, and it looks like we're going to be setting the trend all over again. So you know what? Do you want to be on the right side of history? Do you want to get into something early, a trend that is, before it blows up? Well, this is the channel for you, and we're about to do it again with the B2 network. So there ain't really much left to say other than, till the next video. You're on your own. Later.
Francis Dhun, Uncensored.